For this video, we're going to be looking at how to use formulas in tables. We're going to be specifically looking at the sum, max, min, and count option. So as you can see, I've just got a simple table here of 4 columns by 8 rows. Alright, and in the first 3 columns, I have got some numbers that have been placed there. So for a formula, this isn't like Excel where you have to go and type out a formula. What you do is you click inside the table, we go to our layout tab, and over here on the right hand side we have got a data section. We are going to be looking at the formula option. So what we're going to do now is we are going to be summing this row here, or sorry, this column here. So we put our cursor in the bottom column or bottom row, we click on formula, and as you can see here, it gives us them straight away equals sum above. Excellent, that's exactly what we want to do, is we want to sum that amount there. There we go, we have got a sum of 28. Alright, this one here we want to find the maximum, so we're going to click on the formula option again. Here we go and we just change sum to max. Okay, our maximum is 7, which it is, so that's awesome. Alright, here let's look for the minimum option. We go to formula. Let's change that to min. Okay, so a sum of 28, maximum of 27, and a minimum of 1 here. So the next option I'm going to be looking at is the count option, but before I do that, I'm just going to quickly add in the amounts here. I want to do the sum of each of these. So if I click and go formula, as you can see, it has already done a sum for us, which is the left option, which is exactly what we want. So we go OK, gives us that. The automatic option will do is always be left. Or sorry, the automatic option will give us is always going to be above. And the last option we're going to look at is our count option. So we go formula, we change above to count, and enter. So what it is doing, it is counting the number of information, or the number, it's counting the data basically, how many points of data there are in this table. So that is how you use the formula options in Microsoft Word.